Do you know the Shichifukujin? That's the 7 gods of fortune. The beloved spiritual anchors of Japanese life. They are everywhere in Japan. You see them on temples, on art, even on New Year's treasures. This time, we're testing your knowledge with a kanji challenge. Let's learn the culture and the powerful characters together. Ready? Let's go. How do you read this kanji?
Ebisu, Ebisu, Ebisu.
I am Ebisu. With my sea bream and fishing rod, I bring prosperity to merchants and families alike.
How do you read this kanji?
Daikokuten, Daikokuten, Daikokuten.
I am Deikokutten. With my treasure, mallet and big sack, I create happiness and wealth for all.
How do you read this kanji?
Bishamonten, Bishamonten, Bishamonten.
I am Bishamonten, armor and vigilant. I protect the righteous and stand against all evil forces.
How do you read this kanji?
Benzaiten, Benzaiten, Benzaiten.
I am Benzaiten. I guide music, arts, and words, granting those who seek it the joy of creation and inspiration.
How do you read this kanji?
Fukurokuju, Fukurokuju, Fukurokuju.
I am Fukurakuyu. My long head holds wisdom, fortune, and long life for those who wish to receive them.
How do you read this kanji?
Jurojin, Jurojin, Jurojin.
I am Jurajin. With my staff and sacred scroll, I watch over your health and guide you to long life.
How do you read this kanji?
Hoteison, Hoteison, Hoteison.
I am Hote. With my big belly and lucky bag, I spread joy and good fortune to everyone I meet.
Getting closer to the 7 lucky gods is a small step toward good fortune. They are not beings who simply wait in silence. They support those who genuinely wish to become fortunate. And they gently push you forward when you choose to take a positive step. The step you take today will surely shape your future.